Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this with a satin fabric. If this video helps you in any way at all, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the fabric. Thereafter I made pleats on her head. So I'm going to make this a V shape. All I'm going to do is to make sure that the measurement for this is 80-20. So one hand of the fabric has to really be longer than the other hand of the fabric. The longer hand of the fabric is the 80 part of the fabric, while the shorter hand of the fabric is the 20 part. So I'm going to make sure that the shorter hand of the fabric goes behind her ear, while the longer hand of the fabric stays on top her ear, and that is what I'm doing at this point. Moving on, I'm just going to place the 80 parts of the fabric, which is the longer part of the fabric, on top the 20 parts of the fabric, which is already on her head, and I'm going to pin everything together. I'm just going to pin them together so that everything stays in place and it doesn't unravel. So at this point, I'm going to leave the fabric up a little bit, and then I'm going to start creating my ruffles. All I'm doing is to make sure that I take the fabric round the front of her head, the way you can see me do in the video. And after taking it round, I'm going to pin it so that it doesn't unravel at any point. So guys, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side of her face. Just going to repeat the same thing. Like I usually say, it's very important that you use a lot of pins so that it doesn't unravel at all. So I'm going to be pinning everything down. So I'm done styling this part of her face. I'm just going to pin the both ruffles that I've created. I'm going to pin them together. So this is not difficult at all. As long as you follow these simple steps that I'm showing you, it's going to be easy peasy. Moving on, I'm just going to take the remaining part of the fabric to the other side of her face, and I'm going to style this part of her face. Before you continue, you want to make sure that you pin it so that the beauty of the whole thing you're doing comes out really nice. So I'm going to pin the fabric to the fabric that is already on her head. I'm just going to pin it to that, and then I'm going to start creating another ruffle. This is just to beautify the fabric on her head. This is just to beautify the satin fabric on her head, and I'm just going to create ruffles at this point. I just want to quickly state that using satin fabric as headgear is what is really trending right now on the internet, and I love it because it comes out really beautiful, especially when you're trying to create ruffles. It comes out really nice, and when you want to achieve this, you don't just use an ordinary satin fabric. You have to go for doll face. Doll face is usually a little bit stronger, and it stays like it doesn't unravel easily like the normal satin fabric. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to use satin fabric as headgear, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any satin fabric at all, either on yourself or on your client or model. And if you've not also watched my previous videos on how to tie your normal ASO'OKE on your head or on any client at all, please do that, because it's going to help you to know how to. So at this point, I'm almost done tying the fabric on her head. I'm just going to take the remaining 20 parts of the fabric to the back of her head. I'm going to twist it and then pin it at the back of her head. Here is what the back of everything should look like. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not watched my previous videos, like I said, please do that. Do check out my previous videos. I love you guys so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. Bye bye.